Hello, hello. A happy hello from Taiwan, and it is so late in Taiwan. It's 8:29 and baby is now sleeping. So it's real cold by cradle. And don't mind about the background. It's very typical Taiwan family style. No polish, nothing, no polish. Okay, so what am I gonna? Hello. So, what am I gonna call today? Originally, I wanted to. Oh my god, the baby is awake. Okay, originally, I wanted to code my platform continuously, but since today I am using a very luxury second extension screen, I'm just gonna code something very different just to celebrate. So I'm going to use Flask, and I am trying out using model view controller pattern, and then let's see how it goes. Also, I want to show people what I meant by super luxury screen, second screen. I don't know if you can see, and I don't know if I would just. I'm okay. I guess that just shows up. I'm using a super huge, what is that called? TV screen to do the coding. Thanks for my parents to sponsor such a big screen. Okay. All right. Without further ado, let's go. First of all, I'm just gonna not this one. Oh my gosh, this screen is just huge. Right. And how are you guys? I hope the weather is not too hot there where you are. Okay, I guess I need the pip to install Flask, and also Jinja is also so I probably need an app, the Pi. I have it now, and I have a model, so I will just go for model. Wow, this is so good to use such a huge screen. I see everything. I see the light. Okay. I guess I will need some HTML. So what I wanna do is I ask ChatGPT to generate 3 short bedtime. Absolutely fine. I'm actually in work and I love your streaming videos. So I'll work and at the same time watch. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. How's your work so far? I hope it's good story. So what I want to do is chat GPT already generate 3 different bedtime stories for me, and I'm just gonna uh, use that to display on a web page. No, it's okay. The problem is if you are working and watching the streaming video, then would your boss say something or your colleague say something? I'm just a little bit concerned about you. I hope it's okay. Um, Self. Not. Wow, I see everything. Okay, I think it's called story. Um, I need a dictionary. Remote work. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I love remote work. Story one is, let me see. We uh I need to Google uh where is, oh wow. Can I just not show everything though? Hmm. Hey, I don't like it. Story one. What is that? Where is, I forgot to copy and paste the ChatGPT story. So that's improvise something. Long time ago, there was a little girl. She was dancing happily. And that's the first one. Oh my god. Second is story two. Okay. A star is shining in the night sky. Done. I'm so not. Story three. Okay. Um. Hello. Nice to see you here. Um. I don't know. I forgot. A sun. Sun is okay. The weather is super hot today. Okay. So if it's a model, it can also have some sort of functions, right? So we can firstly get story title. So that's the story. So I guess it would just be return this story. I have to say, I really not touch Flask for super long time. I think for 5 months already. That's to me it's already super long time. So if I halfway kind of lost, then just bear with me. Story the keys. And I would definitely use Google, use something to remind myself that yeah. Get story title and then get story, I guess. So title. Yeah, return self story. The get title. No story is found. I think that's usually how it does. So models, we have this so far, and then now it's it's kind of very difficult because I also don't remember Jinja a lot. Hey, I thought you would just give me all the HTML code. Yeah. By the way, how are you guys doing? Ooh, you guys see everything now. Nice. I need to see what is Flask, HTML, Jinja. I hope you have a nice day today. Also, if halfway I finish the stream, is definitely not because of anything else. Yeah. Okay. We need a head. If I type in head, will it tell me? Okay. At least. Okay. Meta Carset UTF 8. I'm not so sure if people know that Taiwan, although it's already September, it is still typhoon season. So when I was here, hmm? Yeah. H. It's also called Bedtime Story, and it comes with the Jinja, so it's like something percent, something something, and then I want 3 buttons, so 1, 2, 3. If I can do it. Um, controller, control, yeah. Okay. App equal to Flask thingy, right? And then I don't know. Wait, I need to check. Flask. You know what I usually do? I just go for the documents and then paste. Okay, app route. It's usually like this. And then dev. It's this part is a little bit like FastAPI, but it's also a little bit different. I feel index, and then it's a function. Oh, sorry. I shouldn't do anything. Okay, so it's the index here. I need the window. And pass to the backend. Okay, I think I need to go for a controller again. Index usually is to load from model. So import bedtime story. So if we can go bedtime story, get story title. And then we return the titles. Ah. Oh. What happened? Oh, what do you prefer, Django or Flask? I am not very familiar with Django though. So I would say Flask. Hey, hello. Yeah. So return the title and then no, wait. I need to return index. So if it's a fast API, then it's basically some sort of response, and then you have a template, and then you have something. But Flask is different. Hi, thanks for following. Flask is different. It's basically return render template. Yes. So and then also my template should have something called story. Yeah. Okay. Then oh wait. Then can I do these titles? Then I just have the titles, right? Titles equal to titles. And then I have my index. Something like this. And then I should but my button is not. I feel I just say something very rude. Did I? Story? Okay, let's try it again. No. Dog type. Still not. Okay. Alright. We need the head. And we need the body. Okay. Guess that's all. And body, we have H1. Something title. And then I guess it's P or something. If I have title, then shouldn't I have a content? The content is a little bit weird. So story, would that be okay? I'm a bit scared. No, don't do this. It's story content. I think that's okay. I can deal with it. I guess this is not how it is done in Jinja, but let's try something like this. I need to slowly. Okay. Story. And this is something that's different from FastAPI. So handle story. I need a parameter called title, and here is a parameter called title. But FastAPI, usually your parameter is here. Yeah, so that's the difference. I feel something I did is very wrong. Probably not very wrong, but somehow I feel very wrong. Can I initiate a model like this? I wanna try. Get story, title, content, and then return content. No, I need to return title. Is title story content. Somehow I don't really like this. Is content. And I don't think this is, I think I need to do this render template. Then it's not how it's done. It's definitely very backend like. Wait. What are we working on today? Oh, sorry, I missed a lot of chat. What we coding? I am coding. I'm just trying to refresh my memory about Flask, because I've done this. It's super long time ago, so I'm just thinking about a super small project I can do, and that's basically just a bedtime story. So you have a web page, you press the one of the button, and then it will shows the bedtime story. And it's really using model view controller, this kind of pattern, which I promise I will do for a long time. So that's how I am doing right now. What I am doing right now. And I think Flask is for making small applications, but when it comes to scale, yeah, I will agree with you. Like handle backend data, you probably need to go for Django, because Django, I think it has much more plugins. I'm not so sure about the database handling. Whether it will be easier using Django, because last time I used in Flask, I used Flask to do to manage the database using Postgres. I feel it was a lot of headaches. So like I need to do migration a lot. I don't know if people will using Django will have a better time. It has been a long time since last stream. Yeah, it actually is very long time. 8 days ago, because I was traveling. So Friday I was on the flight, and believe me, it was super exhausting. Yeah, because my baby was never on a in a confined space for super long time, like 12 hours of flight. And yeah, so they were kind of, so he was kind of not so used to, oh my god, my parents are back. Okay, but so I will just do a little bit here in case they are being seen, and people will just see much more stuff here. Yeah. Title. I guess that's how we are doing. So we have a story. And we have the content. It's called story. Content. And it's content. So that was also very different from FastAPI. Like, you have a dictionary like object to return to the front end. And here you directly render a template, and the template is in HTML. So that's so this is the controller, and then these HTML are the view. Yeah, which I believe I need to do something. App run, and then we have the debug equal to true. I don't know how many people here watching the full-time as an engineer. Right now I'm just working for myself, and so self-employee is basically everything. So not count as a full-time engineer right now. More like an entrepreneur or called businessman or businesswoman. Okay. I don't think this will run, to be honest, but let's try. How do we do this? I think it's called Python 3 app.py. And it's running? Is it running now? I think so. Oh, where's my... Yeah, I don't know how many people watching my streams are located in Asia. But I want to talk a little bit about my feelings that coming back from Germany is that I feel the night is longer here. By longer I means, like, for example, in Germany I feel when it's about 7 p.m. I feel it's super late. It's time to go to bed. But here when it's about 7 p.m. I feel it's just normal. Aha! I want to show people this doesn't work right now. Story attribute story dig. Okay, then let's go back. Oh, but it's called story dig. Does that work in this way? If I do refresh? Nope. Template not found. Index not found. How should I do this so that you will find the index? Yeah. Time for Google. But where is my Google? Yeah. What did I do wrong? Another thing. Template. Or? Yeah. And try. Nope. Okay. Unexpected end of template. N4. Oh, okay. That's easier. N4. N4. In a way, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I need to think about href. How do I solve the href problem? As parameter to URL 4? No? URL 4. Oh, URL 4. No, it's for A tag. Ah, okay. Title. And then I just give it a slash, right? I don't know. Just try. Okay. Well, at least you found something. What did I do? Oh. Okay. Get. Okay. 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 Cool. 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 Okay, now let's ask ChatGPT for bedtime stories. Uh-huh. Bedtime story. Okay, give me 3. I guess like that. I feel okay. This is the first one, and then we have the second one. I just try this one, and then we will see how it goes. Oh, I did it. Okay. So okay. The content, and so this basically is the viewport, and so we have this model that whenever you ask for, like, I want story 1, story 2, or story 3, it will give you, and then you can have like story keys, like all these. You can of course make the API probably is not. I think yeah, so you will need to use this one to something like this to so HTML response to response with your HTML. So these are the differences that I mainly want to highlight and also want to remind myself. And if you want to have a scalable app, what you can do is, instead of using this model, you can use a database. And once you use a database, then you have much more things to play with. For example, you can always put different age stories. So stories for different age. You can put more stories, different lengths, different words, many things. So this is a simple app for now to remind myself how to use Flask, and also a little comparison between Flask and FastAPI. Today is 46 minutes of streaming, and I hope you guys enjoy the contents I provide. I will push my code to my GitHub repository, and if you feel like to extend it a little bit to different directions, feel free to clone. And I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope you have a great day. Hello. Join at the time that I'm saying goodbye. So I hope you have a great day, a great morning, afternoon. Slightly. I still have 2 words. And evening. And that's all. And I hope you have a nice time watching the stream. And I'm sorry for people who come too late. If you watch the replay, let me know if you have any comments. There are definitely many things we can extend with this app. Actually, this is one of the products that I want to kinda. Actually, this is one of the products I want to build, but not at the first line. So yeah, so I feel free to clone this project and explore with different possibilities, and let's see how I will extend this app into a full product later stage. And wish you good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Bye bye. Wait.